Cool place. It really is. Worth a look. When was the last time you saw a geodesic dome house? So this is at 145 Woods Ave, or Woods Road, I'm sorry, in East Windsor, which is kind of it's in the southeast corner of town, sort of in this very woodsy area. You're actually essentially surrounded by nature. You can see I'm parked out on the street with my old Jeep because it's actually an old school, you know, unimproved road, which is kind of cool. But, you know, these dome homes were like the next big thing in the 1970s. I have to check the build date on this, but they're just fascinating, right? You never see them, you know, and like they're really cool. So out front, this home's on septic. It looks like it's a pretty new septic actually, and the well is out back. Just walking around outside of this property, and you can obviously look around here and get a sense of what's going in. You know, it's been sitting out here for a while in the woods. Needs some maintenance. It absolutely does. You know, it's wood in the woods, which means, you know, termites and what have gotten to it, but it's still a really cool house. So coming on through here, you know, I'm coming in from the side as opposed to the main entrance. So I'll just go stand up in the front just for orientation purposes. So you'd come in this door through the front. You got this cool paneling on the side here, which is just like so period, right? And you get this big, cool, open space. Like it's just this volume here. And you got these great skylights, right? What's interesting about the dome homes is there's very few right angles, right? So it's unusual to find a right angle in here. In terms of living space, you know, we're running off Sub-Zero and Bosch and Thermador here, right? These are some nice high-end appliances. You know, you're probably not eating here, but it's good prep space, right? Come on through here. Now what's interesting is I'm fairly tall. You know, I can actually get kind of right near the edges pretty effectively, which is cool. You have over in here this little, I don't know, I'd use it as a probably a study or an office or something like that. And I'll briefly show you up top what we got going on here. There's a spiral staircase that brings you up over to, I don't know, maybe another bedroom or a storage space or another office, right? What's cool about this is if you want to use it as an apartment, you can actually go in and out the back here, right? We already walked through this area. From here, you can get a good look at all the angles on the roof and how cool it really is. Close this up, so don't forget about it. And then we'll head on down. There's a whole nother part of this house that has a full second level to it. It's just got a lot of volume and space to it, which is really, really cool. I'm sure if I research it, I'll figure out why these never really took on, but you can see, look at this volume here. Like, you could put like a 20-foot Christmas tree in here if you wanted to. Cool little space in here. Again, you know, another spot for like a reading nook or an office, maybe a TV, somewhere you're gonna sit down most of the time. This could also, actually I take this back. This would be your master, because you have the master suite right here. So, again, with these cool panels here, and these tiles in this case. But it's just a really neat house, and you don't see these very often. So, you know, for somebody that's willing to put some energy, there's no storage here, energy and effort into a home, this is certainly unique and very, very cool. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you want a tour, give me a holler. Love to take you through, because, you know, again, you don't see these very often. This is a neat house. I don't even know if I showed you this. Hold on, there's this walk through the bathroom. Here's another bedroom down here. Just great lighting from all angles. It's really quite a cool place. So hope you enjoyed it, and let's take you here sometime.